Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh and I'm back today with another very inspirational story. The story I brought for you today is about Mirabai Chanu, India's first medal winner in 2020 Tokyo Olympics. She is the first Indian lifter to win a silver at the Olympics and second to win a medal after Karam Maleshwari's bronze medal in Sydney 2000. A totally inspirational woman carrying the hope and dreams of millions of Indians on her shoulders and coming out a winner. Friends, before we go on to the story of Mirabai Chanu, let me share with you a brief about our channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Our channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant today has over 500 subscribers and 13,000 hours of views and 210 videos already uploaded on YouTube. Our mission is to ensure that we motivate and inspire the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles. Towards this mission, we share with you stories of mankind at their very best with you on your very own YouTube channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. And we also share with you daily inspiration on WhatsApp and Facebook groups, which have about 210 and 850 members respectively. The links are shared with you in the description, so you can join these groups. Coming back to our inspirational woman, Mirabai Chanu, India's first medal at Tokyo 2020 Olympics. She won the silver in the women's 49 kgs. Mirabai Chanu was born on 8th August 1994 at Manipur. Her family was able to identify her strengths very early on. At the young age of 12, they noticed that she could carry big bundles of firewood comfortably, whereas other children of her age and including her own brothers struggled with the weight. They identified her strength very early on, and this early identification of her strength resulted in multiple victories for her. She has won world championship and multiple medals in the Commonwealth Games. She has already been awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2018. She became India's first lifter to win a silver at the Olympics and second to win a medal in weightlifting after Karman Maleshwari's lift in Sydney 2000. She was also awarded the Khel Ratna Award in 2019 by the Government of India. Some of her prominent achievements are: in 2019, she won the gold in the World Championships in the 49 kgs category. In 2020, she won the bronze in the Asian Championships in the 49 kg category. 2014, she won the silver in the Commonwealth Games in the 48 kgs category. And 2018, she again won a gold in the 48 kgs category at the Commonwealth Games. For her silver medal at Tokyo in the 49 kgs category, her total lift was 210 kgs. In addition to this, she set an Olympic record by lifting 115 kgs in her category in the clean and jerk event. She has been awarded for this inspirational win at the Tokyo Olympics 50 lakh rupees by the government of India and a sum of 1 crore rupees by the government of Manipur. Friends, Mirabai Chanu, an inspirational Indian woman who carried the hope and dreams of millions of Indians to the 2020 Summer Olympics at Tokyo and came through with a silver medal. And totally inspirational woman, Indian woman who will inspire for generations to come. Friends, I am sure you love these amazing videos which I bring for you on your own YouTube channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I request once again all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant, kindly do subscribe to the channel. Please also do share these videos with your friends and family and inspire them too to subscribe to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Our mission is to inspire the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles. I will be back soon with another inspirational video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Till we meet again, good luck, all the best and stay safe.